Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Once again, let us thank the Lord for gathering us this afternoon as we continue our journey, and we are now on the ordinary time. Reflecting on our readings, particularly the Gospel, I just realized again that every day, especially the moment we open our eyes and thank God for another life, we are presented with buffet of choices. Di ba? Pagising pa lang po natin sa umaga, pagmulat ng ating mga mata, at nagpapasalamat tayo sa panibagong buhay, marami na po tayong pagpipilian at mga desisyon na gagawin. The Gospel today reminds us of ultimately making the final choice and sticking to it. In our life's journey, we decide and take a particular direction. We stop, make turns here and there. Sometimes our chosen path in favor of another decision. But time will come when we have to finally choose and decide for the ultimate good, and we need to be consistent with this choice. My dear brothers and sisters, the faith-seeking man in the gospel goes away after the conversation with Jesus because he realizes he is not yet ready. Maybe he needs to undergo varied experiences to finally find that ultimate good. God Himself felt deep in the heart despite difficulties. My dear brothers and sisters, God consistently, perseveringly, and lovingly waits for us to one day come back again and be ready to surrender everything to Him. If we need time to think and rethink our options, God will give us this space and time. He wants that when we follow Him and embrace His path, it will be our personal, loving response. Thus, the choice of the ultimate good, who is God Himself, will bring out a Christ-like version of us.